we're back with Martha Stewart, who's going to show us her tricks to make delicious Halloween treats.
And they can all be found in the latest issue of Martha Stewart Halloween.
Okay, you guys can scan that QR code and follow along. Martha, nobody does holidays like you.
Yeah, nobody.
I don't think so. Except maybe Snoop, because while you were talking, he was learning. See, that's what I like about him.
Oh, he's a student?
He learned every single.
Okay.
segment.
All right.
Well, should we start with roaches?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. I got some roaches in the car.
Well, if you want to really scare people, make some ice cubes with roaches.
Okay, so this is just you put...
Get some little square or round ice cube trays. And just push these artificial. These are artificial. They are not
real.
They are not freeze-dried cockroaches. So although you could use freeze-dried if you'd like.
Oof.
Where do you buy the freeze-dried cockroach?
Come to the hood. They're everywhere.
But these are, you can go to Amazon and buy all these.
Yeah. Ooh, they look, oh my God.
They're very
look, take a close-up of these guys. They are so
How cool is that?
And then you serve those in your drinks.
Now we're making the salty dog in honor of your friend, Jenna Juice.
And this beautiful new gin, it's called Still Gin. Does that mean it's still gin, or it was gin and it's
still? I'm representing for them gangsters all across the world. Still.
There you go.
I just learned what brat meant. Oh, I just learned. I mean, you're a brat. He is a brat. So you must salt and sugar.
Now, how much I love that, Martha.
You love the salt and sugar?
Look at that.
Tell her how much I love that, Martha.
Yes.
That's gorgeous.
I would lick it, but I'm on TV.
He licks it all off the glass.
That's gorgeous. That's grapefruit right here.
This is grapefruit juice. It's all natural ingredients.
Brilliant.
Grapefruit juice, black salt, and
you hear what color that salt is?
And
black.
Black, yes. And then you put this in the glass.
The roach.
Yes, sir.
That was silly. Making a mess. Okay, these are our glasses over here. That's for Hoda. That's not for you.
I'm just going to help you.
Our host Hoda and Jenna. And so now you add the gin. Okay, so as much gin as you like.
Still gin, that is.
And then fresh grapefruit juice.
Oh, that grapefruit is nice. That's nice.
This is Snoop's famous drink, gin and juice.
You know I love that, Martha. Look how she put the top on there.
Yeah, you shake.
Shake it up tonight.
Is that a song? Do you have a shake it up song? You have a drop it song, but you have a shake it song.
Shake, shake, shake.
Is that a song?
Shake, shake, shake.
It will be a song. Okay, now you can open that.
How do I open it? Like this?
Yeah, there you
pour it.
And then pour into your
Thank you.
into your lovely glass for.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay, that's good.
That's perfect. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I didn't set it up tight. That's my fault. That's my fault.
All right, let's get to the dessert. Cheers. Rooney.
Okay, so now we have all these other scary things.
That tastes good.
These are half-baked brownies, like Snoop, half-baked, right? Snoop,
half-baked.
Okay, now Snoop, break some Oreos. Break some
Crush
Oreos.
them up.
Don't crush them, just break them. And
break them.
Like into 3 pieces, and then put them on here. And then you put them back in the oven and fully bake them. You have to press them in, though.
Is this considered half-baked?
That is half-baked.
Okay, I am too.
And now here, I know, that's what I said, it's yours. And then here we have fully baked.
Oh, well,
And
wow.
Are you there yet or not
Not yet. I'll be there.
After the show.
Here's put some eyeballs.
Eyeballs?
Yeah. Now each one of these is a little creature.
Martha, you hosted a real extravaganza for your granddaughter last weekend.
And they had the best fun.
That itinerary.
It was exhausting.
Did y'all bake?
We're going to try a few of these. I think we only have a couple minutes left, so let's give a taste of
now
these.
the little red dots on those for the little red eyes.
Oh, red eyes?
That is really good.
Okay, that look like mine.
Isn't that good?
Oh, and look at
And these are just peanut butter cookies pressed into a little tart shell, and then Reese's peanut butter on top.
Love it.
Yummy.
Love it.
And then there's your drinks, and here, Snoop, come here. You have to break the.
I made one. He looked like me.
Here, now here's the hammer for you, Snoop. Use the claw end, and this is a pumpkin seed brittle.
Okay.
You could do peanut, but with all these. That's really. Oh, these are hard. Oh, there. Oh, there. I got it.
Okay.
Here, taste that. Taste that.
Hoda follows the rule.
Taste
She put
that.
some glasses on.
Is this peanut brittle?
Yeah, this is pumpkin seed brittle.
Oh, yum. That is delicious.
Really good.
Isn't that good?
Hold on now. Wait a minute.
You get these recipes?
Pumpkin seed?
You like it?
Today.com.
I kind of like it.
Fast food. Martha, the cookbook drops November 12th. You can pre-order it now. Today.com or wherever you get your books.